Hey cousins, welcome back to the channel. So excited to be doing another plus size fall haul today with you all. So this particular haul, y'all, came from Fashion Nova, and I have never ever purchased anything from Fashion Nova. So there is a first time for everything. And y'all guess y'all can let me know in the comments if you guys have ever tried Fashion Nova as well. So cousins, if you are new here, and hey to all of my returning cousins, over here on this channel, honey, we talk about all things fashion and also entrepreneurship and content creation as well. So baby, do me a couple, 2-3 things. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and make sure that you comment in the comment section down below, baby, because I'm gonna talk back, okay? So let's go ahead and jump off into this haul. So the first piece that I picked up from Fashion Nova was I got a t-shirt. And I was like, cousin, you got a t-shirt? Yes, because I was trying to try a little bit of everything from them, because what happened was they had a buy one, get one free sale going on. And my daughter actually talked me into getting something from Fashion Nova because she was actually getting something. And I was like, girl, I ain't gonna do no Fashion Nova, yada, yada, yada. But as y'all can see, I purchased the items from Fashion Nova. Oh, and let me give this quick disclaimer as well. So everything that you guys see me wearing in this video is a size 3X. My number size in clothing is a 22-24. And also my height is 5'5". I know the last video I did, that question came up in the comments, so I'll start letting you guys know that. I don't think I said that in the last video. But yeah, so that's how we got to the Fashion Nova haul. Was special thanks to my lovely 20-year-old child, okay? So the t-shirt, which is this one that I have on here, I'm gonna step back just so that y'all can see it. But it's this t-shirt that I have on, and I'm actually modeling it with some camo pants. Now the camo pants, they did not come from Fashion Nova. These camo pants actually came from Amazon that I'm modeling. But so far with the t-shirt, it's cool. I got it in a 3X. It's not a hard material, it's a soft material in my opinion. Of course, this is just like regular screen printing that I am imagining that's on the front of the shirt. So if you know a t-shirt, I mean, it's a t-shirt, but I got it because I wanted to try it. And also because I feel like when you get graphic tees, you can actually rock graphic tees in so many different ways and styles. When it comes to graphic tees, I just decided to go in and pair mine with my camo pants and also my black and white dunks as well. And as y'all can see, just a crossbody bag that I had on. So the t-shirt it's a t-shirt, but I got it because I knew I could pair it with other items in style in different ways as well. Now y'all, this dress here is, I'm gonna say this one is my favorite. And I was really surprised. It's in a size 3X. I was really surprised, number one, at the stretch that is in this dress. I was like, okay, Fashion Nova. I was like, all right. I was really impressed with that. Now, when you are styling this dress, cousins, you're gonna have to put on a strapless bra, or you're gonna have to use boob tape. I know some of y'all don't be liking to use boob tape. You're gonna have to do boob tape, or either wear you a very deep cut bra with this dress, okay? And it's this purple dress, but it has excellent stretch in this dress. Now this dress can be worn during the fall time. As you guys can see, I have draped it with my leopard coat. The leopard coat is not from Fashion Nova, y'all. The leopard coat came from Walmart. Actually, somebody said, come on, Walmart. The leopard coat actually came from Walmart. So you can definitely go in and wear this dress because it is, I'm gonna say, a semi-thick material. You could probably even wear this to maybe a early winter party when it's not as cold, baby, and throw you on a little fur with it, right? And go in and actually dress it up. with this purple dress. And I got it in a purple on purpose because I don't own a lot of purple items in my closet. So I knew that I could get this solid color purple dress, go in, dress it up, and turn it up a couple, 2-3 ways, and style it for my lifestyle. Because sometimes, you know, I got fancy events. And so this would be one of those dresses. But overall, I give the dress a 10 because of the stretch for sure. The stretch is unmatched. The stretch is unmatched, and I was really shocked, and I was leery actually when I was purchasing online. I was like, child, I don't know if I should get this one, but so happy with the purchase of this dress. So y'all let me know in the comments, is this dress something that you would rock? And if you would, child, where would you rock this dress to? Hey cousins, real quick child, and we're gonna get back to the video. I got something to tell y'all. We started a new series here on the channel, and it's called I Create. And who is this series for? This is for all of my cousins who are current and inspiring entrepreneurs and creators. And we'll be diving deep in this series, talking about making money online and also content creation. So make sure that you tune in every single Friday because that's when the episodes drop. And make sure that you join the Cousin Crew. I would say, girl, what is the Cousin Crew? The Cousin Crew is our email and text list. It helps me stay connected with you outside of social media and also give you any updates as far as what is going on. So cousin, make sure that you tune in every single Friday to the I Create series. Now child, come on, let's get back to this video. Okay cousin, so the next dress is this orange dress. So if you didn't know, orange is one of my favorite colors. Now I'm gonna tell you what I don't like about the dress. What I don't like about the dress is you cannot walk in this dress, right? It has great stretch in it, but it has a split at the back. And the split is not high enough to give you enough leg room where you can actually walk in freedom. So with this dress, I would have to go and get this tailored to raise the split high enough so that I can walk comfortably in this dress. That's what I don't like about the dress. Other than that, the stretch with the dress is great. I love the fact that with the halter in the dress that it's got like this little stick stuff, not like stick to your skin, but you know, it helps hold. Cause you know, sometimes when you get a halter dress or whatever, it'll fall over or it may be too big in the area like that, but it's not like that with this dress. I also got the dress, of course, because the color and orange is my favorite color, but because I do go to different events, sometimes the events that I go to, they are themed. So I am trying to add more of those colors that I often see when I go to themed events. So y'all have to let me know if that's something that you guys shop for. Are you shopping like for your lifestyle? Because you know how, baby, y'all know how black people is. We gonna put a color theme with something, okay? It ain't us if we don't do it. But yes, so that's another reason that I got this orange dress. But I do like the dress. Like I said, I will have to go and get it tailored because of the split, baby. Because I can't wear it. I can't wear it like it is. It's not gonna work. It is not going to work. And the next piece that I picked up from Fashion Nova is just a casual pants set, and this has stretch in it too, y'all. I was really surprised that all of the pieces that I picked up from Fashion Nova had stretch. The pants have pockets. There's also an elastic waist, the elastic waist that has stretch in it as well. And I was like, okay. Now this is not a thick material at all. Definitely great for you to wear over into the fall months, even going off into like the early winter months, especially for all my cousins who be having hot flashes. This is real good for y'all. And it is. This is really, really good for you all as well. So, hey, I'm just letting y'all know. Now, the other thing is that with this set, It does come in multiple colors, so I am thinking about going back and getting it in multiple colors, because with this one, I can wear it so many places. I can do lunch, I can do events, just so many different places, even just like a quick Saturday, you know, because you be wanting to look well put together when you go outside. So even if it's on a Saturday, you decide to go in and pair, you know, some cute little sneakers with it and a little ball cap, bam. And you going out the door, and you can look well put together on a quick Saturday or whatever as you are out running errands. But I like the set. I like it. It has stretch and it's also very comfortable. So cousins, this is my review of Fashion Nova from somebody who has never purchased anything from them. Every outfit I will give a 10 except for the orange dress. And I am giving Fashion Nova a 10 in my opinion because of the stretch that is in the clothes. The fit is great. I was very skeptical when it came to the fit of the clothes because my bottom part is big. I got big butt, big hips. So I was very skeptical when it came to that as well. I was like, ooh, child, how is this gonna fit and work on me, right? Trying to make sure that in all of my clothing that I am wearing something that is comfortable. Because baby, listen, y'all know how it is to walk around and your clothes are uncomfortable and you tugging and you pulling, or either you're trying to pull it up because it's too big, or you're trying to pull it down because it keeps rising, that type of stuff. Baby, I'm too old for that, okay? I'm too old for that. So everything in this season of my life has to be of comfort. And I also want to throw a quick style tip off in here too for all of my cousins. I mentioned it, but I would love for you all to start dressing for your lifestyle, or start buying items and clothing for your lifestyle. I know a lot of times that we can get caught up buying clothes just to be buying clothes because it's trendy, right? But I really do want you to dress for your lifestyle. So for example, if you are a mama and you work an 8 to 5 job, and you know, you have to go into the office. So a lot of times you have to have business casual or elevated casual items, right? Start shopping for those pieces or whatever. So that way you can have clothes in your closet that you actually wear. That is something that I actually picked up and I started doing myself. I was like, girl, what do you do on a day-to-day basis? One or two things. I'm either here at the house, or I'm either in my office packing orders or going to the post office or something along those lines. So typically I need like what I got on today, which is this graphic t-shirt, some camo pants, and then also my tennis shoes, right? Because I'll be moving around. But you can still look well put together. So hopefully that little style tip can help somebody that you can just kind of dress for your lifestyle. Baby, if you know you ain't going to the club on the weekends, why is you buying these club dresses? Okay? Why is you buying these club dresses? So dress for your lifestyle. So my challenge to you is to take a pen and a piece of paper and evaluate and say, you know what, on a day-to-day basis or even on the weekends, what is it that I typically wear, right? Even if you want to elevate what you currently wearing, make sure that you're elevating along with your lifestyle. That is one of the biggest things. So that way you just ain't spending money just to be spending money. Okay, like I told y'all with the purple dress, I bought the purple dress and I bought the orange dress because I know there are times when I will have events. These events are themed and I can wear them. I can also alternate and wear these dresses on a date night as well. So I have options to be able to wear the clothes that I am purchasing. So I want you guys to be able to do the same so y'all can take all them clothes out y'all closet that you ain't wearing. You just got them off in there. Okay, cousins? But that was my little style tip and my little spiel. So cousins, I definitely, if you guys need to purchase anything, I will have all of these linked in my LTK store below. And I also do the pinned comment as well. So you guys can go and shop. If that is what your heart desires to do. Don't forget I wear a size 3X. In everything. That's actually the highest size that Fashion Nova offers as well, just to let y'all know. is a size 3X. That's the highest size that they offer, and my height is 5'5". So cousins, don't forget to follow me on all my social media platforms, TikTok and also Instagram. And make sure that you guys are tuning in on Fridays. A new episode, as I like to call it, has dropped, where every single Friday I am going in and I am sharing tips, also my experience when it comes to entrepreneurship, when it comes to content creation, running an online business, specifically product-based and also digital products as well is my specialty, just to be able to let you all know. Those episodes drop every single Friday, and I call those I Create. So who are those episodes for? Those are for all of my cousins who are inspiring entrepreneurs or either currently on their entrepreneurship journey. For those who want to be content creators or current content creators, and you're looking to maybe add a product to what you're currently doing to sell it to your audience, or you want to do a digital product to currently go in and sell it to your audience as well, right? Showing you how to actually monetize outside of social media and brand deals, right? You want to make sure that you have a consistent income coming in. So just thought I'd throw that plug off in there, okay? So yes, and thank you so much, cousins, for liking, sharing, and subscribing. And baby, what do I tell y'all all the time? I tell you to do what? Make sure that you walk in every room boldly and confidently, and make sure that you own it. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.